Well, morning. Khadija, what's up? You just fell asleep? I wake 100 million times. You just fell asleep. Mm. Cock up is at 10. So what's up, crazies? Well, alright. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. Smile a while and get. Oh, you sleep? Me sleep good. Good and nice. Girl power. But I lose my night sleep. Me sleep day and night whenever. I sleep, man. What? How this? We love you. Thank you. Morning. Hello, somebody in the dark. Hello. All right, you don't talk. Go on. You don't have to be in the dark. What? Look well, thank you. Hey. Oh, at girl Queenie, morning, Jay. Yes, I'm here. Hello, Troy Crazy. To God be the glory, great things He has done. Hello. How are you, crazies? I'm all right. Good morning, beautiful. Thank you. I say like, man. Thank you. That's the way you like. Life coming many stages, my dear. I not fool myself with nobody for expect, say. Me supposed to have smooth patch all the while. I'm alright, you know. Strong with that. Strong! 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 The power of a strong black woman. Strong! I am strong. Big up yourself, Queenie. Thank you, morning. Morning, pretty girl. Life is the greatest thing. Looking some more like urgent. Good up, Queen. Everybody, thank you. So I'm on up to today. What's up, right, crazy? It's not that Friday, you know. Rachel turn over in her grave. At how you out here acting like I am head. Rachel know her mama I am head. She not turning her grave. Rachel know her mama is. Anything I put my heart in, I'm going to drown. You can't penalize her for that. Go ahead. Rachel doesn't care. She know her mother forgot through the struggle. Sleeping with makeup on, is it good for your skin at all? I know, baby, all purpose. Pretty lady, thank you. That is like queen, thank you. Ugly queen. No, I'm not ugly. That's a lie. You're very strong, thank you. Adler queen. Thanks for that comment. Queen, tell us a story from your even younger. It have to come to me natural, baby.
What, Queen?
You get dirty bad down. What, baby?
There.
What?
Big up yourself. I like how you stay strong in the place.
I try a call from.
Canada.
No, I'm gonna get back no care.
You
Morning,
stand up
darling.
like a queen in this, Queenie. Them
So I'm to
can't
them
stop
bumble
you.
wall either. They thank you, darling. Turn up like a fucking
You
queen.
stand
Not
up
true, my queen.
like a queen.
Everything normal and just stay good and for them way. And treat them
Exactly. Look how you look good. Them can't stop you.
true,
You
man.
stand up in this. I love it. Big up
Yeah.
yourself, Queen. Big up
Where you
yourself.
calling from?
Canada.
Alright, baby, big up all that clean fat pussy girl in my Canada. Mwah.
Queen Wave.
Queen Wave, dead power. Okay. You will bounce back, trust me. This only therapy, thank you. You will be okay. Come here, beg you an entry ticket. We're good enough. It's the smile. Thank you. Nothing to me like my smile. I will come from my life at trouble. It must be nice not having to get up for work in the morning. Not really, you know. In a sense, but the way I work is like me get up and go work in the morning same way, baby. I swear. Cause I do my morning chores and just like me go work. Don't let anyone tell you different and beautiful. Thank you, Queen. You lost your daughter and I lost my son from the same thing. Oh, let empower each other because I know your pain. And Jesus, it Ati girl, my condolence. Do you have to sing your song to get forward heaven? Nobody don't want to hear his song. In my bill is alright. Do it alright and me alright. I'm not bad mouth do you know. I just want more than peace. Him for sing the song and me and him song. Me sing the song for him. So I'm for sing it because it's a hit song. So nobody not go we hear the rest of the song them because they don't know them. But that's the one man to my good is a hit. So that's what him fuse and then pick up from there until him get him own. Leave me alone, Canada. I've just enough dirty girl there everywhere. Girl going off of them. Girl come off of this. I wouldn't have cuss about dirty girl there everywhere. When I busy with no blood clot girl and left them trouble. Love girl and left them trouble blood clot. Every girl is them phone. You know, my turn of class blood clot. My Lord Jesus, you know, here. Canada. Canada woman take your man. They're supposed to take your man for an Canada woman. Are you at that? This is it on him. He is acting like you and him good and him still don't return the car. Thank you. He might act like me and him good. Don't mind blood clotting. Act like me and him good. I'm not getting a car. I eat that them take blood clot me for, but God now see it. My good man fuck the car. Me telling me no want the car. Make him stay with the car and then satisfy me. He may do what he want to do with it. I forgot about the car. I'm tired about the car. The man nah like comments always on me. But no one can tell me no truth. So any fuckery I tell somebody to tell me and nobody can tell me no truth. And I can't type and give me advice. The phone the truth when to tell me is not my truth. So whether you're the on my side, yes or no, nobody can tell me the truth. You want to cook breakfast with bread. Well, that sounds good to you. What time in England? 9 minutes to 11 in the morning. The black spot soon, God. And monitoring the lady, depressed child, what can't fool nobody. What's this? What is now toxic? Like her and her mentioning. You weren't on TikTok live yesterday? No, I wasn't. First Granny Yam Ed I know. That's good, Yannick. There's a first everything, Yannick. You never born come know everything. So there's a first. So welcome to Granny Ahmed. Is that a crime or you think it's an insult? Me I really care. I care. You have to over here talk about me. What make your cause. It's a underfit. You know, look at underfit them. Make a man stay with the car, leave him. He'll soon satisfy himself and give back the car. I mean, I sit down in an argument. We do have no car. You must ignore them people. Enough man that I respect who that. I saw 5 a.m. Good morning, good okay, preservation. I wonder she look like. Wonder who look like. I see you as a man and one of them friends who won't tell them shit, but want they want to hear girls cry. Who not talk about? Now bust my brain to understand. Courtney's up. Courtney, Queenie. Morning.
Good morning, Queen.
Good morning, nice voice lady.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, just company to tell us I love you. I remember say I use a pussy power, so you have the power. And nobody come and try to take away your power, Queen, here.
Alright, baby girl. Please have a
All right.
blessed day.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Love you.
Thank you. Love you too.
All right. Bye-bye.
Girl power, fuck that Friday. This example, me not set no blood clot example for no kids. I want to you know, come suck me, lick me and bite me back blood clot. We are a black man with no blood clot pin. Everybody do what they want to do. I want to you know, go and move on a dirty blood clot. Me not set no example for you. For my pit of them now, nobody but blood clot live for fucking me. I wouldn't like it to no vomit and cough and roll down the blood clot gully. No put no set egg blood clot zamper. Pa me for no blood clot pitney. Go! Move on a dirty blood clot. Every one of my pitney them do them want blood clot. From a little bit my mother tell me what to do. Move on a dirty blood clot. And leave me the fuck alone. Me can't live for the rest fucking world to tell the world what to do. I me can't control my opinion them. I'm not going to bird. My opinion them accept me for the fucking shithouse slaves. Because me not hide nothing. And I like you know what I do no fucking it. Someone will lick battle wall and take 2 slices of bread and wipe the battle wall on it. Move on a blood clot and can't accept one is. Me's who my fucking is. Fuck off. My opinion them have to accept me for who me is. No more. One wife for one. I love you. Thank you. Morning.
Morning, Nuttn.
Me there.
I come to beg this morning.
You come to beg?
Yeah.
What do you want to beg?
Yeah, got noon more and come.
Where?
Me not right. We can't more got noon with you. Or you feel
Noon.
that? Yeah, the boat something.
On Rascals at Jave.
Yeah.
Me never see say. Okay, how are you?
But alright, you know. They are still.
Oh, that's a tomorrow.
Yeah.
You have my number still?
You change your number. I call your number so till it ring out. Then I call your other number and it just not got through.
Okay. Take my number. What's
No, I got snap. Don't put your
listen,
number back here. I got
dear
send
me,
you
me
a
not give
message.
them a number. Me
I can send
nobody
you
can
one
call my
message.
anybody know will call my number. I me no want them for me not afraid of blood clot. Nobody me dip up under them dirty blood clot. You think me I make people call me down and take my energy and my spiritual father God give me? What your Instagram name?
Chef J Mackenzie.
Alright, send me the DM, I'll send you the number, yeah?
Alright then, cool.
Love
Thanks,
you,
man.
job.
Love
Bless
you
you.
too, more. And go and hold it easy. Them don't know where you got through. And you always a prayer and God look out for you.
You remember my day river, I keep the first day river England, my day party.
The party that did nice. At that era them want to go back to where you did happy, carefree, and you do you, nobody else. When you reach here, you do you. And that them not understand. So you do you. You not do them.
Bye, Jabe.
Bye, Auntie.
Stop fooling yourself. Do you can't take my energy. God give me my energy. Don't try to trick the queen. Me telling her son, I look up for corona attack, can't break me. Look at me, we have 50 fucking 3. In 3 months, me go be 54. Take her up for energy. You know, see me a double tap and I sing one man to my blood clot. Good all and the man now look pan blood clot me. That's how confident me is. I want to now 22 years me there with one man and give him 5 blood clot pitney and still walk away and still get husband after that. Move on a dirty blood clot and left the queen. I want when I have to itch up in my blood clot pussy like tampon. When I can't come off of this because I have a blood clot type to feel good about myself. It's for that Fridays. None of blood clot on a can ban. I can't bantan on an angle like blood clot, floor clot. You know, ditch the dirty clot, dish towel. I can't angle on a dirty blood clot. Me come out on the world, come tell the world when me a blood clot feel justified. Morning. Oh, you want to talk to me or not? It's for that Friday. Mister, on a kiss out my battle. What do you mean by start cussing the people them again? Yeah, the people them come suck my curra blood clot. I want to blood clot, Uno. Uno not cuss me over my dirty blood clot marriage. Uno not cuss me over the blood clot man where 8 man can't blood clot stand me. Uno come stifle up in this blood clot. What do you mean me for do? And on a dirty blood clot. I uno over here them a blood clot, I cannot take my career come near mouth. Me near mouth. Eat out, and bite out. Out! On a dirty blood clot. Take a oof of energy. Take a oof of blood clot energy. Any blood clot there my eyes shut at that time my energy take. No pussy, no body, no rice clot ears hole, no eyes hole, no nose hole, no blood clot hole can't take my blood clot energy. I want to know. When I think I can marketeer blood clot me. I am the queen. Queen lady gangster. One queen in a deck. No matter how your blood clot shop with the queen reign. Pussy. Wanna know where I come from? Batty. Wanna know where I come from? Mouth. Wanna know where I come from? Throat. Wanna know where I come from? Head. Wanna know where I come from? High. Watch the blood clot ride. Sit back and watch the blood clot movie. Pop up with some blood clot popcorn and some soda. Watch the blood clot queen. Watch my growth. Watch my prosperity. Watch my talent. Watch my energy. Watch my strength. Watch my love. Watch blood clots me. Where? And I move on a dirty blood clot and I sit down and put on blood clot part. Yes, you match up. Me can't mash up a blood clot. Part of my face, my blood clot paralyzed and lean. But me can't mash up. Cause my God is real. I want my chip 100 million blood clot. That's the word that can't tune up. One Jesus. I'm glad it's God. When Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. Only thing no man can trick blood clot me. I make me feel sad. Anything what happen in my life supposed to happen. When I cast no life, no cast no blood clot when I move on a dirty blood clot, doing married to me. I'm appreciate it and me no regret it. Not no last a blood clot ever. Go back in a history. I swear me animal at the bed. When me say it even last for one blood clot there, me go on know I'm married. Una do leave me the fuck alone. Una can't mad me. Una can't hand me. Una can't make me be a blood clot base. Because I am the queen. And the queen really move on a dirty blood clot. Anyway, do it there. And me put him there. And I'm supposed to do there. Because I'm married to me. Take it in good grace, Mr. Scarlett. Any which part you sit down, stand up and lay down. Just always remember your wife. Will put you where you're there. Will idolize you until you say, everywhere me got them just so do it. Me making a brand. Run with that, my youth. And build yourself as my husband that I can't sit back and watch you. Someone that come talk about blood clot, clout with my big dent up blood clot face. Clout with all of the agony where me I got through, all of the disrespect on a blood clot clout. I do buy me a mansion, it a buy me a yacht. Sometimes hear them stuck it. For that Friday. None of blood clot in the can manage me. I wanna feel like Bumblewall. Morning. I'm on my live, you know, baby. You want it? No. Alright, I'll do that now. Yeah, cool. So you gonna left me after me thinking that come for me. Drunkers for not kill my dirty blood clots. No. And I have to put me in that history. Me not ask no. Me the household. Every meme, every style, any blood clot situation. You hear that? Check the queen. Yeah. Check the blood clot, you know. Apart from a blood clot fender. Me no want a bomber will look for no car for murder. Me no want nobody coming on my blood clot them. I feel like I can't escort me. I feel like I can't tell blood clot me say, who no want me for doing nothing. Me no want no blood clot body take up my burden for my head. Me express myself. I'm a bad and bold enough and I have enough blood clot confidence to do what me want to do. You hear that? I wish I asked you for a while ago. Calm down, Queenie. Fucking rude. You know, go man. Low blood clot me. No wickeder than blood clot do it. Cause if you see me go through so much, and still I take my pussy tongue and tear it like rice clot. Queenie, calm down and do it. Yeah, I do. Fucking rude. It's fuck that Friday. Come make a fuck it up. Oh, how do I do this damn stupid something again? Figure there's many ways for egg dog. More than put you up on them neck. Mr. Someone I'm a blood clot blag and a chat and I say, none of blood clot you know, can dictate to me, you know. Because when Mr. Nata, Mr. Baku them, if walls could only blood clot talk. No, can't make me feel some type of way. More than make my mouth get more blood clot filthy. As me come on, she go cuss way again. She this, she that. So for come over here, come curse me over my dirty disgraceful life what me come tell uno. I have phone one in a glass case one I hide from me. I'm if you sit down and say, oh make them cuss me, but I cuss out to no mama and no poopa and no blood clot greater and greater to blood clot. I want to know. No pussy test. Make my face stay lean, me still have life. I say go. What is to be? Whatever will be, will be. The future's not us. Man lick out someone a 30 blood clot, 2 teeth. Man going out someone a 1 eye. Man chop off someone a ears. That's not a lie. Man doing so much blood clotting. You know, I think I do have the first blood clot, man. Last time I look on some picture and says blood clot, black and blue. No move on a dirty blood clot and leave me alone. Me no want none of patronize me. Yes, the truth. Go sort out in a cobweb. Let me stay with my strokes. It's my strokes. You can't borrow my strokes. Me can't borrow for your ass clot straight face. Leave me. You have to accept blood clot life for what it bring. And that to do not dirty blood clot. And no one accept life for what it bring. And the one getting on my skin to tell me, say, Queenie, I told me, I tell you, you know much people me say I beat my fear tell me, your truth can't be my blood clot truth. My stupidness and my foolishness is my fucking foolishness. No can't make no decision for me. My choice I'm making in life is mine. Don't rude to me. I'm not fucking rude. Fucking not rude to me over my fucking life. The whole on a man batter on a blood clot. Man all out cigarette from someone. Man take hot iron and chew upon a dirty blood clot. Hot oil. Hot blood clot water and I have to live with that blood clot. Someone got work on in a agony. Leave me the fuck alone. Yeah, if me no cough, ha, choo. I can't vomit. Leave me the fuck alone. My life, my spirit, my energy, my disgrace, my disrespect. Me not give a fuck what the world and them blood clot mama come from a little and a grow till blood clot now. Mr. Man a deceive blood clot woman and woman a deceive man. Move on a dirty blood clot. Uncle somebody could have chat to blood clot me and some little pit when I fuck. I don't know. I'm a big fuck out dirty pussy. Some man have 19 blood clot man as woman. And when the man them have 96 blood clot girl and no can blood clot function. Me is a one blood clot clown, blood clot man. I was dead feeling blood clot clown. Yeah. Make me stay being a man blood clot. He's a man gown. Me a man clown, I a man blood clot gown. Cause you wear man. Me no wear blood clots, man. You send me have a man, me stand up for him, cause I am a fucking queen. So it's when the accident have fall and the blood clot landslide come, me not have in control of no blood clot alongside. Low blood clot that girl queen. Well, somebody tell me so them want come talk to me and come. What yam steal news? I'm not fucking stupid yam. Is a celebrity, yeah, made very important. You know what is a celebrity? Go and Google what the fuck celebrity mean. It doesn't matter what come behind it. Morning. All right. Somebody, anybody? Let me tell you about Dewey. Yeah. Baby, me not hear you. Baby, me never seen it. So I have it. Send a message. Send a text and see if you might answer, yeah? Alright, baby, cool. Yeah, me is a blood clot celebrity, yeah, it's so what happened to that. I'm turning a little bumble wall. Last night, me I watched some video with Ding Dang when me there Dream Weekend. And I said, life really come with some stage, you see. Now me and Ding Dang up on stage I perform. And me watch myself in the crowd at Dream Weekend. I was popular. No, me a celebrity. Me super famous. Whether I don't like it or not. Me never know say famous people just always happy everything smooth. Lie or the whole on a blood clot tell all on the rich. One correct morning. All of the rich. Leave me the fuck alone. The whole of that get up. Me didn't know no blood clot body can't know where I got man to the top. Move on a dirty blood clot. And I didn't know say do we got top me in my mouth? No. And I didn't know say I gonna stop doing no. No blood clot body no know nothing until the top. Move on a dirty blood clot and go shape on the blood clot life and don't shape my one. Anyone on a muggle on a dirty blood clot mode pa me muggle back my dirty blood clot mode pa una. What happened to now? Me and that blood clot where I come talk about. It look like she take back do it and she go cuss me. Cuss it. My cuss on any blood clot time. Whether me have do it blood clot. Pussy rat clot. Not. Come on, little beg somebody come talk to me, lovely. Come on, one of the loving crazies. Come on. You see you SMA Yamed? Yeah, the whole yam farm. What happened?
Yo, what going?
Hey,
Hi.
morning.
Hi, Queen. Good
Morning.
morning. How are you?
Morning on the right. How are
Queenie,
you?
it's me from Amsterdam. Stop make them look careless girl here in the comment trouble you because most of them don't wash them drawers from morning and them are live at entertain. No found a dirty girl run from both you and leave the woman alone. Because you
This
don't
man
have a
coming at
man,
back to
you
cuss the
don't
woman
have
then.
a bed,
Well,
and you
cut
don't
off
have
then,
a child. So
Dan.
where?
Fred help my cuss. Go on, you
Don't
cut
look
off then.
upon
I
them,
love
Queenie.
you,
Make
yeah?
the whole of them go. Then they don't a
Really?
Jamaica dead for hunger. A foreign here, they make the whole of them
Really?
go. When you go
All
look
right.
at blood clot life,
The
One
wash
man,
your
minute
you
dirty
I'm an
know,
hands
see,
in
Amsterdam,
the
friend.
house.
Stick away
And
for second.
leave the woman alone
Amsterdam.
and stop call the woman Yamed. Look on the phone down in a
Amsterdam.
blood clot
1
comment
minute.
about
1
Yamed.
minute. Sorry. Stick away for
Queenie,
second.
that man, that man, I do ask, man.
Go
Pardon?
And so that man I do be ads man.
What do add? What do you mean?
Boy, your people. I do be ads man do man over so what. Link up with my people man and a part them.
Is it?
Yeah. The
That's
man
good.
alright, the man is me man the man is me I be ads the dog over so do one bag of
That's
thing.
Queen.
If it's close
nice.
to her and sitting is me. So me like video then can share man when you do around 1 day ago yesterday. From yesterday me I link up on WhatsApp and now I
Uh,
get here.
who this? What your name?
John my friend St. Thomas my youth.
Uh, listen, Jamar, it's regardless of how rough it is. I don't care what nobody wants to say. My dignity as a person is my dignity.
Alexa,
Yes.
turn the light on.
So you have
Chena.
a WhatsApp them, Jamar.
And that me have to do but me and if I see him try call you miss call me on a WhatsApp number me and if I see when you use.
Yeah, man. WhatsApp me, yeah?
Yeah man.
All right. Thank you. Blessed love.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Hang up, yeah?
Yes, Auntie Queenie.
Wow.
So now, bet my address you know in a comment with the fish them. When see when I put fish in a comment, you know why me come swimming on a blood clot aquarium. Come off of the woman alone. If you know why me swimming on a tank, just make one big tank and me can swim. Cause me's not a fish, me's a blood clot mermaid, mad off the water. So when you know there down here start trouble the woman, you go wash on dirty clothes. Everybody got through things. Every blood clot body got
Thank
through
you.
things. I know they on internet phone uplift the woman who sit down and there and make an jeer. Make sure say this will happen to Queenie not happen to none now. Enough
Uh-uh.
of you know also get bat and beat and thump and kicking on the blood clot belly at night time. And no come on internet at trouble money. That's why I say me not like Jamaican people. Uno when it's a one set of drunk or hypocrite. Blood clot the
Drunk a
same so
drawbacks. Ah!
the same somebody will say yes for your Queenie or them same one want
Them
cut
have
down
them
and
face
period
face
down.
attack. That's why I'm angry them dirty blood clots. So that's why I tell them yesterday, see if you're innocent, I know you're not doing nothing. When me
All the
talk to
one them down there where I put fish on us so enough I know I behind clothes. Me proud of who me is. Yes, I'm gay and I'm proud. So
proud
if you
and
no
gay.
want me come swimming
Some
out on the
people
tank
gay.
for
Get
no,
over it.
if you no want me come swimming out on the tank for no just get one aquarium. Cause as long as now you not pay me rent, me not ask you for no food at one time, you can't chat to me. Cause enough I no live on no yard with no mother and father. Me live for my own from my blood clots 17. Get into it. Me rent my first house from me 18-year-old. So fuck off. So you can't talk anything you want to talk. Don't the Queenie, me love you, gone to bed. Love, 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 love you. Don't let them
Thank you,
take your
darling.
spirit.
Thanks for checking in,
Don't let
yeah?
them take your energy. Just keep doing you. Keep focus, tunnel vision, and block the dirty drunker them.
Thank you. Have a lovely day, yeah?
You too, love. Big up yourself. For Amsterdam, me there.
Remember
Me there right this
you,
next
yeah.
to me. Big up yourself.
All right, darling. Yeah, man. Blessed love, my dopes. Amsterdam, remember you. Calvin, may I add you? Show your him don't want to show no him face, so no want to see him for. Him no want to see him. It's not about only, it's about me. Him just come for give me some strength. Yeah? Queen Wave. Hello. Big up. Thank you. Hello. I go on like gonna take one dead blood clot crocodile out of my pussy. Is that dead crocodile on the catching of my pussy? That would be a fucking crime. If you catch one dead blood clot crocodile is stuck in my pussy, and me I try add them, I love it, can't add. You know why not add. Because stupid talk about it old thing. You know why you can't go live, baby. You can't hear me now? Can't hear me now? Can't hear me? Car key. You can't hear me now? Oh, you can't hear me now? Yes, thank you. What do you mean by all of a sudden me no want the car key? Then if we can't get the car key, I forget up every blood clot they come on. Alone, you telling the difference with me. You see, my sanctity and my peace is important more than any blood clot car key. I try my cuss, my compartment. Leave me the fuck alone. No blood clot. Help me and this, my God. This back on no blood clot. Me now put no help in front of no this. You hear that? Load the car, Robert. This fuck that. Fuck the car. As the friend called what they say. So what I mean by all of a sudden me no want a car key. What that's supposed to mean? Yeah? What does that supposed to mean? Girl, you know much raw clot things we lose in our life. Material things come and material things go, baby. You learn that. If you can't let go certain things that gonna live raw clot forever and easy. Fuck that. What, baby girl? With up alive. Yeah. Love you. Bye. Yeah. I'm telling them, I'm a pity them live loving. And when we down there, I'm ass clot and I like it, but I know that mama trunk. You know, remember the time difference. Yeah, baby, me do the time difference of what? Who catch on, you know. I may try add that person. Where is Indian? Indian, I with him cock, him not busy with me. I see him couple times. But you're talking like you hurt bad. Look like do it tell you something. Like my hurt bad. Bad hurt, darling. Bad hurt. So if me did have to talk like do it hate you. May you know that long time, still news. Still news that baby. We don't hate myself though. You hope the car last. Car at least have a problem though. Tie up like a sea line. If a man do the tie up, with that the righteous with me. So that tie up there loose up or loose up. This too shall pass. Thank you. No worry about Samanta and Dewey, man. Samanta at least at the park. I know my to Samanta. Call where boy I can't get a accept for you. It's alright to be single, you know. It's alright. Try a crazy production. Two don't want me. Wow. Wow. Everybody know that baby. Type something different. That's still news. Enough man wish them blood clot. Wish enough man can get a yammed like me. Yeah, do we get it to know? Yeah, enough man and can get it. My ball for 40 days and 40 nights. I lie blood clot till 80 days around the world, my ball and back. And a ball again. See that? Call Web. See it's a giant, but you're not giant. Pakistani. Last time I tried by that person. You can't come live. I don't know why. I'm sending the request and it's not coming. Don't read the comments. We have to do everything, baby. She ball every day. Hey, you want to see some video of my friend I showed me last night. My always a ball, baby. That's me. Come in my life, I fuck with me, I go ball too. So trying to come in my life. Mm-hmm. So what nobody can accept. Alright, this morning I come back. Queenie, I believe you are come out someone of problem in the marriage and you let me see this. Let me pin a comment. Queenie, I believe you are some of the problems in the marriage and you need to account for your action as well as you want the marriage to work. Girl, your belief is not my belief. Don't mind you. Listen, one hand can't clap. It's hard to be fucking the two of us in the marriage that cause problems. Shut the fuck up and go look. Advice your own fucking self. I don't want to advise from you. The two of us is a fucking problem, but communication is a fucking key. You hear that? We never tell you to be another blood clot problem, but I am the one who willing to comply and willing to communicate and talk about it. And if it doesn't talk, yeah, I'm going to restart the life. That makes sense. But come back. Come back, yeah? If you don't want to. Blessed love.